Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how to make some choice boards for your students. So I think it's really important that you start with what you already teach. You look at your learning targets, your focus questions, the activities that maybe your students need some additional background knowledge or just practice with. Um, I feel like the activities I've made for my unit here, this is just the first half of a unit. I feel like these are the things that, again, they need practice with. They meet my learning targets, um, and they're just going to enhance their learning of our unit. So, this is a choice board. I got a template from a friend. I'm going to show you how to make this template as well as one that looks a little bit different. So, you'll be able to choose whatever works best for you. I'm going to use all Google products. You might be more familiar with Microsoft, but you can do the exact same things. It doesn't matter what program you use. And then you can, of course, Google choice boards and you'll get all kinds of ideas. There's other tutorials and things that you can watch to help you build these. So I'm going to show you first just kind of how this one works. You can see I put my focus question here. Told students they can click on the pictures and it'll take them to the website or the document that they need. So for example, for the fluency passage here, if you click on this picture of the Bay Bridge, it will take them to the fluency sheet that I want them to read. And this is something from our text. So I just want them to get some additional practice reading that. And then I made a Google form so they can click on this icon and it'll take them to the Google form I made to answer a few questions that I have for them. And then whatever sites you use, Quizlet, Flipgrid, Newsela, Kahoot, BrainPop, whatever, Fluency Tutor, I've got Epic on here. You just have your activities created. So I created flashcards for our vocabulary words in Quizlet. And then I'll show you how to put the link in here, but you can see you just click on the link and then it takes kids to the flashcards so they can practice, play games, study, whatever they need to do. Okay, so let's talk about how to make this template. I'm going to start by creating a new Google Doc. And we're going to make a table. So you go to Insert, Table, and you could think and be real methodical, like how many activities you're going to have, but I change my mind all the time. So I'm just going to make a bunch of boxes. Okay, and then all you're going to do is highlight some of the cells. Like here, I want to put my directions. So I highlighted those boxes, click Format, Table, and merge the cells. And then here I can put my directions. I like to make the cells different sizes. I just think it looks cool. So I'm going to merge these. Again, Format, Table, Merge Cells. I can hit Return. Kind of see what it's going to look like. I'm going to leave this box that size. I think I'm going to merge all three of these. So you can keep doing that until you're happy with your template. Let's pretend like we're happy with that. Okay, and then all you need to do is select all, copy. I'm going to start a new Google Slide presentation. And I'm not going to use these text boxes, so I'm just going to get rid of those. I like to highlight them and delete them. All right, and then I'm going to paste my table here. And from here, you can still, if you decide you're not happy with the size of your cells, you can highlight them, go to Format, Table, and you could merge them if you wanted to. All right, you could make your background all the same color. You can make it different colors. You can see here a few different colors. So I'm just going to put my cursor in this first box. I'm going to use the little paint icon for the background color and make it like that. Um, I might even highlight all of them, make them all the same color to start with, change them up, or I could go one by one and change the colors. Okay, so you just click on the box, click the paint. All right. Now you want to put some pictures in. So you go to Insert, Image, and I have my pictures that I want to use saved on my computer, so I'm going to upload them. You might have yours in a different spot. And I'm going to put my vocab in. So I'm going to use this Quizlet icon, put it there. Then I click on it. I want to add the link. So I'm going to Insert and Link. And I need to have my link up here. So after you've, say, created your flashcards, you're on that Quizlet page, go up here to this little box and copy the link. Oops. Where'd my little picture go? Oh, I did it on that one. Oops, I meant to do it here. Let's try that again. Insert, image from my computer. Okay. Move it over into my box. Now I can hit insert, link, and I'm going to paste my link here. So that way you can see once kids click on this, it'll take them right to that link. Alrighty. Okay. And at any time you can click in here and you can change the backgrounds and type your directions like practice vocab. Alrighty. So you would just keep doing that with each of your cells, just inserting images and adding the links, putting your directions in until you're satisfied with how it looks and you have all of the opportunities there that you want for your kids. Okay, so I'm going to show you another way. If you don't want to use a table, maybe you feel like that's just like one extra step. So I'm going to make a new slide. And for this one, we're just going to use text boxes. So you could use the slide that's already here. You could type your directions up here. If you click on that text box kind of on the border, then you can use the border weight so that it actually puts that border around the box. And then here, I'm going to change this text box, make it into a more, oopsies, make it into a more manageable size for my choices. And then this again is like I could put my Quizlet stuff here, but I'm going to make some more boxes so that you can see. And I think the easiest way to do this is just to click on the box and copy it and then paste it so you can adjust them. I can still click on the box and make this one bigger. I'm going to make another one. So again, I'm just copying and pasting, and I can make my boxes look like whatever, smaller, bigger, different sizes here. Okay, and then you would do the same thing that you did up above. You can change the color. You could even change your background. I saw a really cool one where the teacher put like a corkboard background and then did her text boxes. So you could use those different themes if you want to make it as fancy as you want. You could change the color of your text, whatever you think is important. But just like above, you would do the same thing and you would insert images and then you would insert the link on top of that image so that students know what to do. And then, of course, you could share it with them, give it a title, make it look awesome. All right, good luck. I hope that helps. If you have questions, let me know. I'm happy to share my templates that I've already made with you. Um, but I think this will be great for our kids, give them some engaging options to learn our content.